Hey guys, welcome to the Sophie and Z-Man show. And today we are showing you how to make slime. And I have no idea, so Sophie's basically going to be teaching me. And I'm just going to follow along with her, so let's get started.
Okay, so first we're going to put in the glue.
Do I need some glue too?
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of glue.
The glue makes it
be a lot of slime. So I need to do about that much glue. Whoa, stop!
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Whoa, whoops.
Now.
Okay.
Zach, take the glue.
Oh.
I feel like there's more to this. Okay.
I don't think you have it on it.
Take the lid off. Come on.
Let me try.
Stick it.
Yeah, shake it up. That might work.
3, 2, 1. Well, that's help.
Okay.
That's enough. I almost licked that, thinking it was whipped cream. Okay. You need spoons.
It's like a cloud.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay,
Get
now
that
let's.
off. Okay, there we go.
Now we're gonna put in the activator.
How does this work?
Mix it.
Just saying, guys, you need all this kind of stuff to make some Christmas slime, right?
Imagine if this ain't even the right ingredients. I feel like there's more ingredients, but I haven't made.
Can I shake it up a little bit?
No,
What? Shaving cream looks so cool.
Oh, I forgot that there was a cap. Lucy's opening up our cherry scented activator.
What's the activator do?
It makes it slime. Makes it slime.
What's it?
Thank you. Makes it
We
slime.
might have needed 2 of those.
No, we don't need that much.
Here, I know how much.
I hate slime, so this is gonna be a fun.
Alright, now we need a spoon, y'all.
So while we're waiting, so you're supposed to add in the clear glue, then add in the shaving cream, then add the activator, then add the coloring, then add the colors. Okay, thank you, Zach.
So do we just stir it?
Just stir it. And then I'll tell you once it looks enough. Can I help you?
No, I got it. I want to try making slime. I've never made it.
Okay, this looks good. And if we're doing this wrong, we're just learning.
I'm the one learning how to make slime because I can do it.
Okay, I can do it. Okay, see, now stop. And let's add the dye.
I think he needs more activators.
Okay. So do we just
Activator.
How do we open the dye? Do we open the dye or do we
I
start
got
the
it.
dye?
Are you gonna let me do?
Lucy, help Sophie with the dye.
Do we just?
Oh, keep it over that.
How do you open up a piece of dye?
Just don't spill it.
Can I just spray it on? Wait.
No, that's a lid.
Now do like, wait.
Okay, go. 1, 2, and 3, and just for safety, I'm adding.
Is this
4.
good?
Zach, add 3.
Let me do it.
Gotta take the lid off.
Okay.
Zach, add. Well, there it goes.
Okay, I'm gonna do 3, guys.
Add 3.
1, 2, 3.
Just
That
see
kind of looks scary. The color of that.
Don't in the exact same place, Zach.
Okay, let me stir it.
Oh my god.
Such a slow start. You're gonna get some more. It's gonna look orange.
It's
Can I add some more so it doesn't look
I want to add more.
Alright, keep stirring.
Let me add
keep
more.
stirring.
Thank you, Madeline. Stir.
Keep stirring.
Whoa.
Is this really what slime's gonna be like?
Yeah. Oh, it hurts my arm.
This is really making me mad how slow he is.
It's like turning against you, it feels like.
It does actually.
Well, can I turn?
No. You should have got yourself some stuff.
Making slime.
I think that's enough dye, Sophie.
That's just a redhead.
I need more. I need more dye. Okay, this is the color.
Zach, let me.
Lucy,
Gosh.
I'm sitting here like, help me.
I have this.
I'll need to add the sparkles or the stars.
Stars.
Turn it back.
Add it like it's sprinkles, buddy.
As I'm stirring, add.
It came out so quick.
Zach's is pink and mine's literally green.
It came out so quick. Oh, how do you like that? Let me touch it.
We gotta stir it up.
Okay. Whoa. Can I stir it?
Oh, I just
For
ate
one-
shaving cream.
Can I stir? I'm stirring.
Let me add some more activate.
Okay, Soph, I think you should add some stars.
No.
Lucy.
Add some more activate.
Oh my goodness, Lucy. Oh, Lucy.
Stir.
Stir.
Make it really.
She might need more
Okay,
glue.
Lucy, I'm good. Lucy, Lulu.
So guys, you're saying for the video you needed glue,
I already
shaving
told them, but
cream.
yeah.
Okay, good. Just making sure.
And glitter.
Glitter.
Do y'all
if you
think
wanna
your
put
slime
glitter
is
in it.
successful?
No.
Yes, I think
She
it
needs
is.
more activate.
My first slime thing. Yeah.
It's gonna stick to
Watch
Sandy's
this
frock. My hair.